Hey everyone, so today I just wanted to let you know that I found the best instant noodle called MOKKOSU Ramen, which I think this is the yummiest instant noodle I've ever had so far. I actually didn't know this, but one of my viewers taught me about this, so why not review? This is kikurage mushroom. I just use it for topping. You can use whatever you like for topping. So it comes with the liquid for tonkotsu soup. It smells so good already. Just follow the instruction. Boil it for about 2.5 minutes. So this is it. So far this is my favorite instant noodle. It's only about $1.50. So when you come to Japan, this could be very nice souvenirs to your friends. Just for your information. And the soup was so thick and amazingly tasty. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.